Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I present to you a new update for the Contentomatic plugin, as the ArticleForge post generator part of it got improved, and now it will be able to use keyword list in txt files. So text files will be able to be used, and the plugin will be able to extract keywords from the text files and use them to generate articles using ArticleForge. So for this you will need to upload your text files to a hosting and get the URL of the text file. So I have here an example text file with 2 lines, so homemade pasta and chili recipe. So let's paste simply the URL of the text file found on my server and save settings. So I will launch the article generation right now in Contentomatic, as ArticleForge takes a couple of minutes until they generate the article, and we can follow the progress using the logs of the plugin. So we can see here that generating article using ArticleForge for keyword chili recipe, which was extracted from the text file, making query to ArticleForge, and the progress can be seen here. This is 0.26, means that it's 26% done. So the article is 26% done. So if you haven't heard of Contentomatic, I will leave it in this video's description. You will find the link there and you will be able to check the plugin. It's at a low price right now. So processing is still working here, so 51%. ArticleForge is currently generating our article for the keyword chili recipe, and if we rerun the rule another time, the plugin will once again extract the keyword from the text file and once again post content based on that keyword. So this is how this new update will work in Contentomatic. So yeah, 64%. And let's check also the front end of our site is empty, and the plugin will generate the content soon, and the chili recipe article will be ready for us in no time, as we reached 67% progress on the article generation. So as you can see, the start of the processing, the progress jumps to 26%, and then it goes in a linear way, 4 or 3-4% per tick, and each tick is in a 10-second interval. Okay, so let me refresh this once again. 77%, so bear with me guys, we are nearly there, and we are doing immediately a touchdown, and we will get an article generated here by ArticleForge based on this keyword text file. And yeah, let's refresh it again. 81%, we are closer to the finish now, and we will be able soon to check our article based on our keywords from the text file. So yeah, ArticleForge is a bit slow, as they generate the article in a couple of minutes. However, I must admit that the quality of the article that they generate is really good. So they provide high quality articles which are also unique, and yeah, they will not get duplicate content penalty. So yeah, you can check their services. So we are at 85% now. This is good news, as we are progressing a bit slower. So as you can see, progress slowed down around 75% from 3% per tick, so per 10-second interval, to 1, 2, and even 1% per 10-second interval. So based on this, and it's done. So yeah, It's really funny that we were at 85% and the next tick said that, and it's done. Okay, so now let's refresh. Here it is, a featured image of a chili, which is really good looking, on a spoon here. And the article is really high quality, as you can see. So, and also YouTube video at the bottom here. So yeah, it's a really well written article, and it was extracted from our text file. So yeah, this is all for today. Check the latest update for Contentomatic. It is linked in this video description. If you have ideas, suggestions, or any idea that you want to tell me, let me know in the comments of this video. It is really appreciated. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.